Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Time Series for Data Science. This channel has over 80 instructional videos teaching you about time series analysis. These videos are produced by award-winning teachers at Southern Methodist University who teach in the applied data science and applied statistics and data analytics programs there. There's a huge need for data scientists and data analysts who can use and analyze time series data to do things like produce forecasts, assess trends, and that sort of thing. The problem is there's not really a good book that really meets the needs of this particular group of people. Books in this area tend to either be sort of cookbooks that show you how to plug in and grind and get a result, but not really do any teaching, or books that get tied down into mathematics. Our book, we think, fits the niche that needs to be fit to actually prepare students to analyze time series data and to do so on the job. And we know that it works because we have our several students who have gone to work and say, you know, we can use what we learned immediately on the job and produce good results. So our book, Time Series for Data Science, Analysis and Forecasting by Woodward, Sadler, and Robertson, is a book that we believe meets the needs that we discussed. And this book doesn't really require calculus, although it's a serious treatment of these topics. And you may be saying now, well, this is a YouTube channel, what about the videos? Well, the videos are accessible using QR codes within the book. The authors actually produce these videos to supplement the material in the book. And while these videos are good standalone teaching aids, their best use is to use them in conjunction with the material in the book. So I want to thank you for watching this video. I'd ask for you to subscribe to the channel, check out some of the other videos, like the video if you'd want to do that. And I want to say as I leave that the videos are arranged in playlists, and each playlist is a chapter in the book. And I suggest that maybe you start watching these videos by going to the chapter 1 videos, which is working with data collected over time. In that playlist, you'll see things like how to use the TSWGE time series R package that's powerful and very easy to use. We'll talk about things like accessing data on the internet, dealing with messy data, imputing missing values, wrangling data, cleaning data, web scraping, and more. So I think as you begin to go through these videos, you're going to see why we say that the book is uniquely designed for the working data analysts.